it. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we'd like to single out the Honeywell HUL430 for you as the best value humidifier available on the market in 2023. This is an excellent choice for those looking for simplicity, great performance, and an affordable price. The overall efficiency and easy-to-use features make this model a great option. The HUL430 outperformed all the competitors in this price range in sheer humidification power and had just enough user interface options to make it easy to control without overcomplicating things. When the time comes to fill or clean the tank, the large tank opening, cylindrical design, and the large ergonomic handle will make carrying, filling, and cleaning a breeze. The Honeywell HUL430 is a simple device that does its job well. It offers superior humidification without additional features that would clutter the screen or operation. While many small home appliances include the latest and most expensive smart features, the HUL430 maintains a classic app-free user experience, thanks to its one-button interface and error-preventing features. The unique cylindrical design of the water tank means there are no crevices or corners, allowing an easy swirl of water or a wave of the hand to clean the inside of the tank. The smooth interior of the tank means there is little room for mold to catch or hide. The large opening means it's easy to put your hand and sponge in to wipe it down if needed. The user manual recommends letting the bleach and water mixture soak for 20 minutes in the tank before swirling and rinsing. The Honeywell's control panel has one control dial and 4 lights that indicate operating status and intensity level. Knowing when to fill the HUL430 tank is easy, and so is filling it. A full-height viewing panel allows you to measure the water level at a glance, in addition to 3 tank lighting settings. The Honeywell HUL430 has a 1.25-gallon tank that's large enough to humidify most rooms without being too bulky to carry or fill. Most importantly, the tank fits most sinks. Like other models, the Honeywell allows you to add essential oils to the humidifier via the essential oil container, and it can do double duty as a diffuser. For the listed